Meet Mitchell, 33 years old, who traveled from Australia to Istanbul for his hair transplant journey. Our goal was to give him a natural and dense hairline. Using the DHI technique, we focused on the frontal area and successfully transplanted 3,700 grafts. Now, let's take a look at his transformation over the past 6 months. The shock shedding phase has begun. This is a completely normal part of the process as the newly transplanted hair adjusts. While it may seem like a setback, it's actually a sign that the hair follicles are preparing for new, healthy growth. Most of the shedding is now complete. The scalp has healed and the implanted area looks completely recovered. While there aren't any visible changes just yet, the hair follicles are strengthening beneath the skin. Patience is key, as the real transformation is just beginning. New hairs are starting to emerge. At first they appear thin and soft, but this is completely normal. Over time, they will thicken and blend naturally with Mitchell's existing hair. The change is now visible and his confidence is growing along with his hair. And here it is, Mitchell's incredible transformation. The frontal area looks dense and natural, with hair growing in stronger than ever, and this is only the halfway point. Over the coming months, his hair will continue to thicken and mature, reaching its full potential. For Mitchell, this is more than just a hair transplant. It's a new beginning. Hair restoration isn't just about looks, it's about regaining confidence and feeling your best. If you're ready to start your own transformation, we're here to help.